What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. I appreciate it to the fullest, guys. Thank you so much. You guys, in today's video, this is kind of a spur of the moment video, as I was planning to make a video on this, but I wanted to use it and get a little bit of feel for it before I made the video. But you guys, I sprayed one spray on the hood of my car and I am absolutely blown away. I ran inside, grabbed my camera and said, I need to make this video for you guys right now because this stuff is absolutely freaking amazing. Xtreme Solutions Topper. So if you guys aren't aware, Xtreme Solutions offers a full variety of detailing products, and I want to say thank you to Steve Kiro. I messaged with him on Instagram, and he was very, very nice and polite and kind enough to send me Topper along with a few other Xtreme Solutions products to add to my arsenal to test out and give feedback and see how I like it. Well, that's going on right now. You guys know I don't have a lot of free time, but this freaking Topper is insane, guys. I just got done giving my car a rinseless wash, and I pulled it inside. As you guys all know, I got Polish Angel on here. I haven't really topped it since I put it on. I don't drive the car much, but I went ahead and I gave it a rinseless wash, and I wanted to top it. My topper was looking at me on the top shelf and said, pick me, please. So I grabbed it, and I'm so glad I did. All right, let me go over a few things on the bottle for the Xtreme Solutions Topper. Topper Top Coat Lubricant Protectant is the ultimate topper. Available on the market today, silicone-infused topper brings unparalleled hyper slickness, gloss, and a mirror-like reflection. Topper is detergent resistant and uses cross-linking polymers to protect your vehicle's top coat. Super user-friendly, Topper can be applied to wet or dry surfaces, so it can be used as a drying aid or on a dry surface standalone. It's totally safe to use on top of your current protectant, be it wax, ceramic, or even other silica coatings. So you guys, this can top pretty much anything you have. And everybody hears Topper. What is a topper? That's exactly what it is. It is something that you could put on top of your protection, your existing protection, or even use it as a standalone, because from what I'm seeing about this stuff, it is pretty durable and you can still get a few months out of this as a standalone, which is fantastic, being it called Topper. But so if you have a base layer of wax, a coating, something on your car, not everything out there is insanely slick, right? So people add toppers, not only a sacrificial layer, as some people may call it, to increase that slickness and bring out that extra little bit of gloss, guys. And that is exactly what I wanted to do with my Eclipse here. Got the rinseless wash done, grabbed my topper, and you guys, I'm in full geek out mode right now, and that is 100% the truth. That is why I ran and grabbed my camera. I am blown away. Let's the directions. Shake well. Got it. Avoid spraying on hot surfaces. Definitely want to make sure that what you're working on is cool, in the shade if you can. Don't apply it to the hood after you just drove an hour and you pulled home and you got some stuff on your car and you want to wipe it down. Wait till it cools off, trust me. All right, apply to a dry or wet surface. Spray mist onto small area. Rub into surface using a soft, clean terry cloth. Turn cloth over and buff to high gloss. Do not allow it to dry on surface prior to wiping down. So it's got your basic spray on, rub it in, flip your towel, buff it off. It's that easy, guys. This stuff smells absolutely incredible too. It smells so good. It's got that nice bright purple to it. So yeah, enough jibber jabbering about Topper. I'm gonna get you guys set up, and I'm gonna show you it in action and just how freaking awesome this stuff is. I wish there was a way for me to translate slickness to you guys, but you guys just have to take my word for it, guys. I am so excited right now. Let me get you guys off the tripod, get you set up, and show you this Topper in action. All right, everybody, so I've got my topper here. Now, I've already done this side of the hood, guys, and that's when I realized how absolutely incredibly slick this left my paint. That's when I jumped inside and got my camera. But I'm gonna show you guys again how easy this is. Few spritz on the paint just like that. It's already gone. It is already gone. Flip your towel, buff it off. Oh, smells so good. And that's it. Oh man, that is just, is the paint slick? Yeah, it feels smooth, but then when you get over here, oh yeah, oh yeah. That is freaking outstanding. Let me get you guys off the tripod. Excuse my big old hands, guys. All right, so I want to show you guys first person over here on the other side. This topper. So I got my towel, by the way. These are just, these are edgeless 365s from the Rag Company. I like these for applying sealants. So let's go ahead and 2 spritz. 2 spritz is all we need. I know it's kind of hard to see, guys, but hopefully you can see that. And it's already gone. This stuff flashes really nice. It is so incredibly slick under the towel. It's its own slickness. Like, it feels, it's so hard to describe, but it's, oh yes, that is what I'm talking about, guys. I promise you. Oh, this is, sorry guys, I'm going into freaking geek out mode again. Just look at that. Now, as far as gloss and shine, this thing was already glossy as all get out. But for people in this scenario, you got your car, you got it washed, you got it dried off, you want to grab a quick topper. Let's boost the hydrophobics. Let's prolong the protection that's underneath it. Topper is absolutely a game changer. It is freaking awesome, guys. Let me show you guys me doing one more here. Let's do up here. 2 spritz. Got a little bit on the glass. Sorry guys, this is, like I said, this is kind of a spur of the moment video, but I felt like I needed to do it. And it's already pretty much gone. Flip your towel. Oh man. Kiro, thank you for sending this to me. I am absolutely in love right now. Just absolutely in love. Oh my Lord. All right. Guys, I'm gonna get this thing finished up with topper real quick. Come back and we're gonna do a final thoughts segment on the Xtreme Solutions. Absolutely incredible topper. All right, everybody. So I got the whole car done with my Xtreme Solutions topper. I am absolutely blown away. You guys, this stuff freaking is phenomenal. It is an absolute phenomenal product. I'm so mad at myself for waiting as long as I did to try this product. Oh man, guys. Like I said, this is kind of a spur of the moment video. I'm sorry if it's different than the rest, but I was not planning on shooting a video on this car with it. I wanted to use it on my car, get a feel for it, and then I was gonna use it on my Honda and make the video on it. But it is too dang good. That stuff is freaking, I mean, I could not stop feeling the paint, guys. Oh my Lord. That takes the cake right there, guys. My paint has never felt like this, ever. My paint has never felt this soft. It's almost like, it feels thick. It feels really thick. It feels healthy. It feels so healthy. It's unbelievable. Oh man, I can't stop. I can't stop feeling the paint, guys. Blown away. This thing was already glossy, I know, but so I can't say, oh, look at the gloss it gave it. It probably will add a nice gloss, a nice touch. It's got silica in it, so it might have a cure time. It doesn't say anything on the bottle, but you guys, blown away. Let's jump into some final thoughts as I ramble on and more about how freaking awesome this topper is. All right, everybody, we are on a quick final thoughts segment. You guys can see I cannot stop smiling. This topper from Xtreme Solutions is next level. This stuff right here is liquid gold. That's what I'm gonna start calling it. You guys, this stuff performs phenomenal. 4 or 5 thumbs up. If I had them, this would get it. Let's talk about a few things. So not only can you use this on top of any form of protection, you can use it as a standalone protection as well. It will also provide the most insane amount of slickness I've ever felt on a paint. I mean, there's some really good products that make the paint really, really slick, but this one is just next level. It's just a slight notch above. And for my case, guys, I have a base layer of protection on the car. All right, that's fine. It wasn't incredibly slick. It wasn't that, oh my gosh, slick feeling. And when you're in my case, you want to reach for that topper that's gonna just give it that baby's bottom, smooth, just can't stop rubbing the back of your hands on your paint because it feels so slick feeling. And that is what this topper just did for my GSX right now. As you guys can see, it's absolutely glowing. I wish you guys can reach through and feel the slickness and the health that it feels like is in the paint. Now, I know I'm terrible at leaving links in my descriptions. If you guys know my channel and you follow along, I'm at probably the absolute worst at it. I promise you I will be better, because I'm going to leave a link to Xtreme Solutions website where you can find topper, because I want you guys to try this stuff. I promise you, you will absolutely fall in love with this stuff. I mean, ease of use. So I ended up having to grab a second towel, but towards the very end, I did the whole car, and by the time I got back around to the right front fender, so I started on the hood, and then I did left front fender, door, top, you know, stuff like that. Went all the way around the car. By the time I got back to the last fender to do the fender, the towel was so saturated that it wasn't working well, so I had to grab that new towel. That's totally fine. Anytime you get a product that saturates a towel, you're gonna run into some form of kind of hard to buff off, because you can't buff off if there's nothing but product in the towel. So I was able to get around the 95% of the car with one 365 edgeless 365 from Rag Company. So very little product used. I'm speechless, guys. This stuff is freaking awesome. So yeah, once again, so Steve Kiro with Xtreme Solutions. I'm sure you guys always see him on their YouTube videos. They've been putting out a lot of YouTube content. Great guy. They sent these to me, so it does make this a sponsored video, guys. But you guys always get my honest opinion, and you know that. 5 thumbs up on Xtreme Solutions Topper. I cannot wait to test out more of their products that I have up here. Steve, bear with me, man, because time is of the essence. For me, I don't have a lot of free time, so I will make my way to those products, I promise. But you guys, please, please go check out Xtreme Solutions and get some topper. This stuff is next level. Pretty much going to be the topper for my car from now on. My GSX, for sure, hands down. So I'll stop rambling. You guys go check out Xtreme Solutions. They're putting out insane quality products. Insane. Very, very, very friendly too. They're very awesome. They're knowledgeable. The customer service is fantastic. I can't say enough good stuff about them, guys. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm just that excited. You know, you guys know Smurf when he gets excited about a product, and this is it. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel and watch my videos and stuff. You guys, it means the world to me. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. If I can answer them and if I can help, I will help you guys. If you enjoyed this video, this style video, please consider subscribing to the channel, smashing that thumbs up for me, click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, whether it be reviews, details, polishings, coatings, paint corrections, stuff like that, anything car related, you guys will get notified when I upload more videos by clicking that little bell. And I will end it with, I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm gonna catch you guys all on the next video.